Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve the expression 5 minus 7 bracket 5 minus 7. So let's start with today's video solution. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2 and then 5 minus 7 is again minus 2 and there is a multiplication sign and this gives 4, which is the incorrect answer. Many people solve it like this and fail and reset incorrect. So you have to follow certain rules while solving this, the BODMAS rule or the PEDMAS rule or PEMDAS rule. Here, in this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis. So in bracket, there is 5 minus 7, that is minus 2, and there is a multiplication sign between minus 7 and minus 2. Now you have to solve multiplication or division, whatever given. So here we have given multiplication. So first we'll give difference to multiplication. So 7 times 2 is 14 and minus minus is plus. So it becomes 5 plus 14. So which is equals to 19. So the correct answer is 19, not 4. So if you follow this approach, you always reach at the correct answer. I hope you learned something new and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.